to interior design YouTube channel. Elevating a balcony into a captivating and relaxing oasis is easily achievable with a plethora of creating a balcony decor ideas. Despite limited space, balconies offer the perfect canvas for expressing personal style and creating a cozy retreat. A great starting point is selective, space-saving furniture such as foldable chairs, compact tables, or wall-mounted shelves, maximizing the area without compromising on comfort. Soft cushions and weather-resistant outdoor elements. Transforming the balcony into a lush green sanctuary is possible by incorporating potted plants, hanging planters, and vertical gardens, infusing the space with a refreshing natural ambience. Cozy lighting options such as street lights, lanterns, or LED candles can create a warm and inviting atmosphere for peaceful evenings or lamplight gatherings. Decorative rugs and outdoor mats with intricate patterns can add visual interest and define the space. Lastly, personal touches such as colorful throw pillows, cozy blankets, and artistic decorations can inject a unique charm and reflect the homeowner's personality by thoughtfully combining functional and aesthetic elements. Balcony decor ideas can turn even the smallest outdoor space into a delightful haven to unwind, enjoying the outdoors and escape the hustle of daily life. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.